What's up guys, today I'm gonna remove the strut from the car. You guys understand why, and let me just get to it. So first we're gonna break the lug nuts before we lift the car. So the right size is a 19 for this Honda. Once you break them, we lift the car up from the Okay, once the car is jacked up, you would give a shake. Good. Now we take the wheel off. Remove your lug nuts. I turned the wheel a little so you guys can see the bolt, which is this bolt. This bolt, and then there's a thing in the back, the wrench, to remove it. And the strut that is the strut. That's the stock. So what you do is get your ratchet, size 17 ratchet. Make sure you loosen it. There we go. Now what you do is grab a wrench on the other side. Let me see. And this is what you hold on to it. You hold on to it while you loosen it. Just get, if you don't have power tools, it doesn't matter. But, you know, it's always easier to loosen. And then, you see? This big bolt. So the purpose of me taking it out was to take a photo that doesn't fit the thingy. So, and to see, it's still in there because there's still two bolts at the top, so you can't take it out there. But look. So here are the coils. This is one. This is the one that doesn't move. Like, even if you tried, it came out like this. Look, that's not good at all. These are the other coils like that. So these are the hardware. Basically, this doesn't go up and down. So the top struts for these are these two bolts. They're both 14. Loosen it. Loosen. Loosen. So this is in the way actually. So what you do is just lift it up, and that's it. And it's gone. I don't really like using this. This part strips it, or it opens it. But I don't really like using it. But since it's like loose, might as well. Oh. This is the strut, and if we lift it from the bottom, this we have to push down. So the problem with this is we're gonna have to remove those two bolts up there, which will be easy to take out. Alright, so the bolts are here. So we're gonna have to take the air box out and the battery. And this is a 10mm. Since it's just like a box, just move it there, right there. It's a 14mm. And should come out. You see? Comes right out. The battery's in the way. So we're gonna have to remove it. For the battery, it's a 10. Up. Easy. You just lift it and get out the way here. That bolt right there. It's another 14mm. Now we just push this backwards. Like that. And this would come out like that. So now we loosen the top bolts, and I'll loosen it and see what happens. You push the control arm down, and it comes out. There we go. You gotta be careful with the brake line, but it doesn't look like it's pulling, so we're okay with that. a lot. I want to drop it, but not that low, so this doesn't like loosen. That's why I'm gonna take photos and compare, and then I'm gonna email the salesperson that I was talking to, and hopefully we could solve it out. I could send these back, get new coilovers, and I'll install it. Alright, so what's up guys, it's the next day and I left it. I do have plans for more videos upcoming, and I just wanted to get back on YouTube, see how far we could get, how far our build could go, and it's really nice outside. I hope you guys enjoy.